Hi everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel, Facebook or IGTV. Today I want to speak about manifestation techniques and how to actually use it in order for you to actually manifest, in order for you to live in a state of consciousness that represents abundance. Okay, now I want to mention the fact that I do one-on-one coaching sessions, so if you are interested in working with me on a one-on-one level, feel free to contact me, send me a message, and let's step right into the play or the work, whatever you want to call it. I usually call it play because the work doesn't have to really be that hard when we know how to use higher principles, when we know how to use these manifestation techniques in order to apply them to our lives. Okay, so if we want to manifest, we actually have to really believe it possible. This is the thing that I actually want to start with. Okay, if you believe it possible, then anything can happen in your life. If you actually believe your manifestations, that they are actually possible, then they will actually happen, because someone said that if you really truly want something, the universe has to actually send you that. Okay, so if you really desire something, into your life, then the universe actually has to send you that. It's a principle, it's a law. If you really visualize, if you really want something truly with your heart, with your soul, with your being, then the universe actually has to send you that. So the first thing to realize, guys, is the fact that you have to believe it possible. 50% of the way is for you to actually believe it possible. If you really visualize it each day, if you really become that thing each day, if you really believe it with your heart, with your soul, with your being, then it has to happen. So the first thing that I want you guys to realize is the fact that you gotta believe it possible. Okay, you gotta believe it possible. You gotta really trust in the process. You gotta trust it with your heart. Okay, so the first thing to realize is the fact that you gotta trust it. You gotta believe it. You gotta become it. You gotta embrace it. You gotta really chase your dream. Okay, you gotta chase your dream, and you gotta actually let your dreams chase you. Okay, so the first thing that I actually want to offer you guys is the fact that you gotta actually believe it possible. Now, if you want to go forward, I want to mention the idea of vibrational alignment. What is it? What is it, and how we can actually connect to this principle, to this concept, in order for us to manifest. Now, vibrational alignment is about staying connected in the present moment. It's about being connected to our true self. It's about living in the heart space. Okay, it's about living from the heart. It's about living in the present moment. It's about placing our consciousness in the now, and I want to mention meditation here and silencing the mind. Okay, if you really want to manifest, you cannot live in your mind. If you really want to attract different things in your life, you gotta actually let your mind be free. Okay, you gotta silence the mind. How do we silence the mind? We silence the mind by meditating more. We silence the mind by being more in tune with ourselves. We silence the mind with discipline. Okay, we gotta stay conscious. This is actually a good perspective for manifestation. You gotta stay conscious. You gotta be in the present moment. You gotta allow yourself to heal. You gotta allow your energies to actually flow upwards. Okay, you gotta let life force energy flow through you in order to manifest. Okay, you gotta live purely. You gotta be yourself. You gotta stay conscious. Okay, so the second tip would be vibrational alignment. Stay connected to your heart center. Follow what you feel. Okay, follow what you want to express. This is how to stay connected to vibrational alignment. Be conscious. Okay, stay in the present moment. Meditation helps. Eating healthy helps. Going into nature helps. Okay, these are all tools that you can actually use. These are actually simple tools, guys, that you can actually, these are actually small, simple tools that you can actually use in order to step into your source consciousness, source energy in the present moment. Okay, vibrational alignment is happening when we are living in our true self. Okay, so live in your true self, be authentic. Okay, if you are being authentic, then you open your heart. If you express yourself, then you open your heart. If you love yourself, you are stepping into vibrational alignment, and this is really powerful, okay? If we are being connected to the present moment, if we are being connected to our true self, now we let life actually offer us things. Okay, so the second tip would be vibrational alignment. Stay connected and see what happens. Live in the body, okay? If we want to stay connected to this vibrational aligned state, we gotta live more in the body and not in the mind, okay guys? So live in the body, take care of yourself, do some movements, reconnect to your source, reconnect to nature, and really live from that state of presence. Live from that state of where you are being connected. Try as much as possible to accept your thoughts, accept your feelings, and really live in the body. Okay, so the second tip would be vibrational alignment. This is really powerful, and many spiritual teachers talk about vibrational alignment as being the essence of our beingness. Okay, vibrational alignment is the essence of our beingness. So whenever we feel that we are disconnected from ourselves, we are out of vibrational alignment. But this is also okay to realize, because if you are feeling disconnected, this is actually the contrast for you to actually come back into your vibrational alignment. So it's about choice, okay? Whenever you feel disconnected, it means that the universe actually gives you choices in how you want to express yourself, okay? So if you feel disconnected, realize that you have a choice. You have two choices or more to come back into your vibrational state, to come back into your pure conscious state, okay? So follow your heart, follow what you want to express out there, and realize that you have the freedom to actually step back into your connected state each time. Now, the third thing that I would actually want you guys to realize is to actually stay detached from the outcome. Okay, because we live in that competitive state. We always want to reach the destination. But what I come to realize is the fact that it's not about the destination, it's about the journey. Okay, realize that you're not perfect. Realize that you can always enjoy the present moment a bit more. You can always enjoy what you have a bit more. You can always let go a bit more, okay? So don't be focused on the finished product. Don't be focused on the finished product, and be focused on the tools that you are actually having right here, right now. Okay, this is how to actually begin to manifest. To look around yourself and to see what is around yourself. To look around yourself and really get detached from your desired outcome, because the outcome will come the moment that you actually become detached, and the moment that you actually become the conscious state of having instead of wanting. Okay, whenever you say I want, you actually send the universe the energy that you don't have that thing. Okay, and this actually leads me to the next step. Okay, so say more that I have what I need, I have what I have, and I embrace myself in the process. I can use every tool that I have in order to actually move forward. Okay, we gotta move forward. We gotta move into that conscious state that actually allows us to embrace everything. Okay, when you say you have, you also step into a state of gratefulness. You will also step into a state of higher abundance and higher consciousness. So appreciate. Okay, this is the third tip. Appreciate what you have. Appreciate what you have, and realize that you are a conscious manifester. And the moment that you actually let go of the outcome, you become magnetic, you become detached, and you realize that you have the freedom, and you have the acknowledgement, and you have the conscious choice of looking at things with new eyes. Okay, when you look at things with new eyes, you also change your reality. You also change your world. Okay, now the fourth tip would be allow things to happen. Okay, allow things to happen. We are trying so much to actually force things to happen. Okay, we are putting so much effort in it. We are hustling so hard, but I believe that hustling hard is good. At the same time, finding a space where you are creating from a detached space and from a space that actually resonates with you is more in flow with your true authentic self, from my perspective. Okay, so begin to actually step into a natural hustle. Be at your own rhythm. Okay, be at your own rhythm. Find your own rhythm, and actually allow yourself to relax more if you feel like you want to relax more. Okay, so you gotta create at your own pace. Okay, realize that you're not perfect, realize that you are perfect in your imperfections, and you get to actually create with your own rhythm. You get to actually create with your own pace. Okay, so love yourself in the process. This is actually the fourth tip for manifestation. If you love yourself enough, you realize that everything is actually okay in your life. This is what I'm realizing right now. I'm realizing right now that everything that has happened with a purpose, and everything that has happened with a lesson. Okay, so when we become when we see this neutral state of consciousness, when we appreciate each experience, we realize that we are actually at the right moment at the right time, and whatever we have in our lives is actually okay. Okay, whatever we have, wherever we are standing, we realize that we are actually at the right moment at the right time. Okay, we are at the right moment at the right time. Okay, everything is happening with a higher purpose, and from my perspective, you cannot really avoid life's purpose. You cannot avoid your life's mission. So realize, guys, that everything that has happened has actually happened with a higher purpose, with a higher mission. Even if it seemed like it was negative, it has in actuality happened for you. Okay, and when you actually embrace this mindset of being at the right moment at the right time, you get to actually manifest. Trust me, you get to actually change your perception, and changing your perception in manifestation is important. Okay, whenever you see that you have everything that you need and you are actually at the right moment at the right time, you actually shift your mind, you actually shift your mindset into a mindset of abundance, into a mindset of trusting, into a mindset of seeing life in a perfect way, because the universe is operating in a perfect way. Everything that is happening in a perfect rhythm. It is happening with a higher purpose. It is happening with a purpose of love, of peace, of harmony, of us learning our lessons and actually getting to move forward with life, getting to actually be our authentic selves, and getting to actually raise our energy based on the experiences that we have. Okay, so embrace your experience. Okay, this is the fourth tip. Embrace your experience, and with this lesson, with this acknowledgement, you get to actually shift your mind into trusting more. Okay, this is the fourth tip. Trust more, trust more, trust your experience, trust where you are standing, and trust life itself. Okay, and the last tip would be express your unique vision. Okay, we come here as each individual comes with a unique blueprint of talents, with a unique blueprint of thoughts, with a unique blueprint of self-expressing modalities. Okay, express your vision, express yourself, and step into action. Step into action. This is actually my last tip. Step into that manifestation, guys. Step into that unique vision of yours and express yourself in your own unique way. Okay, if you express yourself in your own unique way, then you get to actually influence not only yourself but those around you. Okay, be a spiritual gangster, maybe be a unique version of yourself and express yourself in your own unique way. This is powerful. Okay, if you express yourself in your own unique way, if you follow your vision, then you cannot go wrong, because what you offer out there will be offered back into you. Okay, so offer positive vibes, offer creativity, offer authenticity, and realize that if you express yourself, then you cannot go wrong. Okay, there is no right or wrong in the universe. There is no right or wrong in the universe. There is only energy. If you express your highest vibrational energy, then you get to actually allow yourself to expand yourself. This is powerful. Self-expansion is our only choice. Okay, if we don't expand, we lose. If we stay too much static, if we stay too much in our static state, we lose. Okay, so allow yourself to actually be in movement. Allow yourself to be in movement, and allow yourself to again express your own unique vision, whatever that may be. It may be sports, it may be about reading books, it may be about art, it may be about music, it may be about animals, okay, anything that is, make sure that you actually do what you love. Make sure that you actually do what you love and you actually express your vision into the world, guys, okay? So yeah, by the law of attraction, by the law of cause and effect, we realize that the universe actually responds to us, okay? So these are my 5 tips. The universe responds to you, okay? You don't get what you want, you get what you are. Shift who you are and realize that with this shift, you get to actually attract new things into your life, okay? With this shift, you get to actually improve your consciousness in a different way, okay? When you shift who you are, you also shift your world, you also shift your reality, you also shift your life, okay? So yeah, guys, vibrational alignment, staying connected to yourself, be detached, express yourself, action, also relax yourself, and realize that you have a mission here. You have a mission here, and when you focus on your mission, you get to actually manifest, okay? So guys, thanks for watching, and like always, see you on what is coming up next. If you want to work with me on a one-on-one level, feel free to contact me and let's step right into the play. I'm having so much fun here, and I realized that yes, manifestation is real, and when we become conscious of it, then we allow ourselves to really get a new outcome, okay? We allow ourselves to actually get a new outcome. So allow yourself to open your heart and express yourself, because this is beautiful, this is powerful, this is amazing. I love you guys, much peace, and like always, see you on what is coming up next. Thanks for watching this video, and feel free to actually subscribe and leave me a comment, because I would appreciate it. So much peace, and see ya on what is coming up next. I love you.